Vishwanath Verma, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Please brief me about yourself.
I'm a recently graduate from BTech. I'm DU Rohtak, and I have an experience of around 6 months working in a call center BPO in Gurgaon. And I would say, about me, I love playing cricket and other things just like this.
Tell me something about your family background.
See, my family is very small. We have a nuclear family, so it's my mother and me. And she's also working. She works in finance ministry, central secretary, and I just graduated, so I'm.
So basically, you and your mother is living in a family.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. One day, where are you staying over now?
Dwarka. Actually, Palu.
Okay.
Besides Dwarka.
Okay. Vishwanath, what is your career goal?
See, I'm looking for a company, where I can get good salary and I'll get a self-satisfactory job. And even I've done BTech in computer science, I'm looking for some other jobs. Like I don't want to go with a core job or anything like that. And recently I was doing sales. So, and I think you called me.
Yeah.
So I got this opportunity through an advertisement, and I thought of applying here, and that's why I applied here.
So you were.
I don't have really an interest in my technical core jobs.
Right. Then why you have done BTech then if you don't have the interest?
See, BTech is just like a graduate to me, okay, a graduation degree. And if I really have to go to a core job, place a good core company, then I have to acquire a good technical knowledge. A widespread knowledge of many languages such as C++ and all these things. I have to be working in a live project for at least 2 years. So it will take approximately 2 or 3 years to make it through up to that level where I want to. Okay, so for 2 or 3 years it will be a very long time for me. So basically,
So that's why you want to start with marketing field.
it doesn't matter. I've done sales and I can do marketing also.
Okay. Like this requires also marketing and both sales. Both are involved. Why marketing? Do you think it's very easy than technical?
See, it's not easy, but I consider in the last company, I had the opportunity to sales, and trust me, you can say I'm good at sales or something like that. For a beginner, like that, it was not able to achieve $10,000 in a month. They never expected that a beginner can do all these, achieve $10,000 in a month, and I did 15,000, and I was a consistent performer. For 2 months. See, BPO company, it is something, you don't have a specific holiday, you can't give time to any of your family members. I need a specific holiday at least. And, in August, I had some exams to give, and I asked them to give me some holidays, and they said that they were not going to provide me. And one more thing I would like to tell you that, in that company, the kind of work we do, we represented ourselves as someone else. We are a different company and we represent ourselves as a different person. So that was a little like illegal for me. And many of the other people who are in that field, and they used to tell me that if you get busted, if you will be busted. So I don't want to take chances about it, and I come from a really good family. So what are the chances?
That's fine. So what kind of a sale it was? What kind of products you used to sell?
If I tell you literally, it was nothing. Some customers, basically from US clients, they used to call us and they used to have some kind of problems in their computers, and we had to show them something like your computer is having some kind of big problems, like you're having bugs.
You used to cheat them.
That's why I got the job.
You used to cheat them, really?
It was a job profile, not me.
It means cheating the customers.
It was not, probably cheating the customers. See, in BPO field, it is a talent, okay? You have to sell, sales is all about selling. It doesn't matter how to sell.
How to sell.
Absolutely.
Even if you can cheat the customer, you won't.
There were some quality parameters, we don't have to use some specific words, like it's been hacked, something something like that. We used to just tell them that you're having some, small minor problems right now, and if you don't fix these problems, you'll have some bigger problems in the future. And computer is something which is connected to their daily lives. Even though they have to do something, anything like paying bills, doing internet banking, they have to use their computer. So somewhere they get busted, and they have no option. They have to go with us. So we used to sell them some plans. So if you pay us this amount of money, so they give you a protection for like 1 year, 2 year, and all these things will not happen again.
So this was the only reason you left the check?
Absolutely, I think you can understand that.
Yeah, good thing. Okay. So do you want to study further?
See, I would like to go for MBA. As I told you, I don't want to make my career in court also. I was thinking about MBA in management.
Okay, that's fine. So do you know anything about the job profile?
Yes, as much as you told me that, I'll be given some, minor trainings, and after that I have to give some presentation to somebody at their end, right? So that's all I know.
Do you know anything about the company profile?
Yes, it's Nano 3D. You have some kind of products related to nanotechnology now.
Architecture animation. Yeah, I would like to tell you. First of all, Nano 3D company basically is an animation company. We deal in architecture, animation and workflows. We provide visualization services to our clients, and more of our clients are VLC developers. Okay, we provide them the visualization services. Like,
I got it.
Yeah, how this building will look in 3D animation. That is called what? Okay. So that is, and we do have the production houses in Delhi, and more than 5 offices in Delhi, and we do not only work in Delhi, we work all over India. We have 12 offices in all over India, and it's basically a growing company, you can say, and very soon we are going to open 2 offices in Jaipur, Mumbai and Mumbai, right? So, and this job profile is for business development executive, means you need to develop the business of our company, means we have a huge data here. So we will give you the data, you need to call the clients, you need to fix the meeting with them, then you need to go for meetings, give them the presentation on our particular product of the company, and building the business, closing the business. This will be your profile.
What actually do I need to do? Are you generating the leads or something to give a specific number of clients?
We will give you data, not clients. We will give you data and you need to convert it into leads, generate the leads. This will be your work. And in case your performance will give you as well as the existing clients which you will have, we will provide you that also. Fine, just to help you, just to grow. For growth, so basically we will provide you the data. We need to translate into leads.
There is some kind of initial training, or I need to...
No, not training will be provided. Trainings will not be provided.
Okay.
Yeah. But we will guide you in each and every field, how to work, how to develop. We will help you, but not, we can't see proper training. Right?
I understand that.
Okay, and apart from that, I would like to tell you that in Delhi, you have to look after the North zone. Means we are having a huge client in North Delhi also, North India. So whenever there will be clients, you need to go there also. So will you be comfortable for that to go out of Delhi?
Yes, I will.
You will do. And the traveling expenses, everything will be provided to company to you, and you just need to go. So you should be comfortable for that.
Yes, ma'am. It's part of the job.
Yeah, it will be. So because some of the candidates are not comfortable, they think that only in Delhi. No, it's not only in Delhi. You need to do out of Delhi also. So you should be comfortable in that. Fine. So basically this profile is all about. Right? Okay. So may I know what's your salary expectation?
See, if I'm doing sales, at that company I used to get 15,000 in hands, but their incentive slab was good. So if even if you make any incentive, it was like 13 to 14,000 incentive. So I was getting approximately 28,000. So
huge incentives will be there also. The salary part will be fixed, and according to your performance, according to your target completion, you will get incentives as well. So huge incentives will be there also, because our projects are very expensive. Like if we talk about one walkthrough, it starts from lakhs, 10 lakh, 15 lakh. So there will be huge incentives as well. So I'm just right now talking about your expected salary, fixed salary, not incentives. You need this incentives.
It should be 20,000 plus.
20,000 plus. Why do you think like that?
Because sales is not an easy job now.
Yeah, that is not easy.
You know that, we, the boss has some expectations from us and we have to work in a pressure all the time. So I think that is,
There won't be that kind of pressure, but see, you are having only 6 months of experience, so do you think it's justified to expect that much of hike from 15 to about 20?
let me just explain to you. I choose sales because, this is a platform where you can perform and you can achieve more targets and more salary.
Yeah.
Okay, and that's why my expectations were low. I didn't know that you had some kind of incentive plans or incentive
Yeah,
plans.
in marketing there is
But
always incentives plan.
at least that much.
Do you think it's justified? Do you think, what do you think? I'm asking you.
Yes, up to.
Up
So
to.
see, I'm not expecting to maybe 25,000 or something like that. But if I'm coming by myself, the company was giving me 15,000 in hand, and it was providing colors for me. And
That is a BPO, that is a BPO, and BPO they provide, but it's not a BPO, it's a company, as I mentioned. There's a lot of difference between the BPO.
But if you look at the prospect of Coastal company, it was approximately 19 to 20,000. So
In here also, I would like to tell you that the traveling expenses will be provided to you by the company plus involved charges. Will be everywhere you go for meeting, the traveling expenses will be given by the company. You will not, you need not to have to spend by your own. So that will be provided by the company. Okay, salary expectation is 28.
20,000.
What is the minimum? It's negotiable.
Yes, I was about 15 minutes negotiable.
18K. I should-
18K in hand.
Yeah, it will be only in hand. Okay. Do you have your own conveyance?
Yes, I have a Pulsar motorcycle.
Right. Okay. Are you open for the brand of the company?
How many years of notice?
It's 18 months, 1.5 years.
Do I need to sign the bond right now or?
Whenever you will be like, at
Well,
time joining, yeah.
18
It's
months.
just like, you need to sign nothing else. You don't have to take any time or like, documents and all, nothing. Just it's a formality in our company. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and you're open for the traveling, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Out of Delhi?
Can you just specify some places where I need to go?
I really don't know how
See, if you ask me to go, somewhere like JFK, it'll be a little hard for me.
I really don't know, maybe from the Punjab or I don't know the names. I really don't know the names. And final round, if you will shortlisted, the sir will talk to you and will give you all the details about the
So, this is just that initial line.
initial round. Yeah. Fine. And in case you will be shortlisted, how soon can you join the company?
As soon as possible, as soon as you desire.
Fine. This is your correct number?
Yes, ma'am, 9213-9860.
Okay, Vishwanath, I think it's more enough for today. In case you will be shortlisted investor, you will receive a call on the same number and you can come for the final round.
Yes, ma'am. So, where will we will be going to have the final round? Here or somewhere else?
Here only, basically in a production house maybe. That is just 5 minutes away from here. It's in Bank of India building. A production
I had a
house.
hard time finding this company. I just went inside and I just went out.
Okay, I saw you actually, I saw you.